not only justice for Malaya, but also for Sabah and Sarawak, for the whole system. And now we have a real chance of achieving that, because we need justice in Sabah, in Sarawak, as well as in Semenanjung. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we should be proud to be in this era. Perhaps it was a blessing in disguise that this didn't happen before, because we were not ready. But today, we are ready. And I'm sure from today's symposium, a lot more of us here are willing to come forward, willing to sacrifice for the sake of people, for the sake of your state, for the sake of a new government in Malaysia. So with that, once again, I congratulate you, bagi pihak Pimpinan Pusat. I am very happy to be here, to be part of your history, because this is history. You are creating history. Yeah? Tomorrow there may be a new government, and you have a better chance of forming that government. But I would like to mention a few things here, just to remind you. All those problems that we have in Sarawak, land problems, problems in the civil service, problem in business, problem in scholarship and so on, please compile your data, facts and figures. Because at the end of the day, people will ask you how many, where, and why, and to explain to these people. And you need the facts. And I'm sure you have a lot of professional researchers who can compile these facts and produce a book. Maybe just this first round. Yeah? And secondly, I think it's very important also for you to come together and share the responsibility of producing some results. Meaning that dia lah itu parti-parti lain, but now they realize we need to be in one party, because all the while we talk about being disunited. And we talk about unity. This is the chance, because we have a big national party which is fighting for justice. I think we can group together here in this party, Parti Keadilan. Well, there is DAP as well. We are member of the Pakatan, but you have to do that, then we are still divided. Why not package yourself here? And thirdly, I think it's very important for you to come up with alternative solutions. Okay? Before you take over the government, you should be ready with solutions. How do you solve this land problem? What are you going to do if you are in power? Are you going to just, free for all, or you have a system? You have to create a system to solve this land problem, for example. Because some of these land problems don't have boundaries. NCR don't have boundaries. You have to create boundaries, And the same thing with the problems of employment, promotion, jobs, scholarship, and so on. You need to do that. And eventually, we have to think about how to finance it. We need to look at federal-state relations, how to share it. And I think federal-state relations is very important. In the future, how do you deal with the federal government? How do you assert your rights? Should we do it later on, or should we package it now? I think it's very important to consider that. These are my advice, and I hope that it will be useful for you and for all of us. So with that, congratulations once again, and on behalf of the leadership, I now officially close this symposium. Terima kasih.